Yeah.
Perfect.
Good thing. I don't fucking care. Fuck, grab that shit all you want. Yeah, fucking yeah. Yeah, all the women in front. Right. Correct, you are. Hey, oh, they're getting big and screaming on.
Bring your other hand up.
Oh yeah. We'll do the sweatband here a little bit. Boulderada. Yeah, Oh, shit, yeah. Oh, motherfucking. Oh, goddamn right. Fuck. Damn right. Goddamn right. No, you are. Fuck, correct. Motherfucker, yeah. Sure did. No, there was no. No, fuck yeah. Ah!
Let me double walk them so that they don't fight them.
What? Yeah, motherfucker! You got it right! Yeah! There wasn't no fucking women in there! Ah! Fuck yeah! There wasn't! No! No, there wasn't! Stop! Stop! Drive me in! Do it! No, I can't! You got my fucking arm, man! You said I was in a wheelchair! You said I was in a wheelchair! Damn, boy! Go to fucking there! No! I was in a wheelchair! Fuck the women! Get out your fucking life! There! That's not. Yeah! Hey! I ain't ripped this thing! I ain't fighting! There's a bunch of fucking women in that fucking cell!
John.
Bullshit! Oh, there it is! Thank you very fucking much!
Are you gonna calm down?
Otherwise,
Otherwise, you gotta go by.
there it is! Done! Dirty! Done! Not on any meth! Not what? Yeah? Wake up! You're being arrested, Jimmy. No, I didn't. All right. I did. Anything else, huh?
Jump to Lafayette is going to start loading down.
Into the sweatband here in seconds, if you look. Bunch of women now, beating them in the ass. Bullshit, Clark. I can't grab it. I'm in the fucking. Yeah. Well then. That's hot stuff in it. You know what I'm thinking? Yeah, hot? Yeah, okay. Well, I'm not fucking doing anything. Go and grab all you want. Let's go. No.
Yes, 2 warrants and trespassing. Nice.
What sign is
I'm not sure. Evidently, we're in Boulder, Colorado. The Boulder police just arrested this guy outside of the RTD. He has 2 warrants and trespassing. Colorado Donkey Watch is out of here.
something